Remember when you said...
Hi guys, I'm in Chicago right now. I'm getting ready. It's early in the morning and we are planning to go to some brunch place. We didn't figure out where yet. So in the meantime, I'm getting my makeup done. I first need to clean my face. I'm using the Clinique Take the Day Off makeup remover. I'm going to clean my face first and then start the makeup. Let's go.
It doesn't get better than this. Only a fool would've let you go. You got into my head.
The foundation that I use today is a little bit lighter than my skin tone currently, and I mixed a little bit of a darker shade concealer. This is from Pacifica, this is from Maybelline, and it works perfectly for my base makeup and it matches my skin tone. Then I'm going to use my current favorite Revlon Color Stay compact powder to set everything. Stuff that I'm going to use is the super bronzer from Makeup Revolution. I'm going to use this puffing brush to spread out the darker tone seamlessly. Take this orange blush and again apply onto the cheeks. I'm also going to use the shade just on the highest points of my cheeks. Long lash lengthening mascara. This is again from I Love Revolution. I use this lipstick from MAC Cosmetics. It's called Impassionate. So this is a perfect summer shade. So yeah, I applied the lashes finally. You know, I think too much before finally applying the lashes. This is the June Ipsy Glam Bag I got this month. So quickly I'll give you a glimpse.
Am I about to lose myself? When will all of this fade away? Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll both be fine. Cause nothing's ever black and white. Cause nothing's ever black and white.
Guys, so I'll start with this Philosophy Micro Delivery Exfoliating Daily Face Wash. I'm going to use it right now. My skin really feels fresh. A moisturizer followed by some sunscreen. Same like yesterday, I mixed my foundation and concealer. I'm going to use this new powder puff that I got in Ipsy Glam Bag. I'm going to use the Everyday Vecchi Coconut Lip Oil from Seattle, London. That's pretty much it for today.
Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye.